this view we're going to go through the changes to how to create a personal view within CRM and some of the changes with regards to the views themselves. So we're in the unified interface, and one of the first things to note that if I come up to the view selector, then my views are now at the top rather than at the bottom, and the system views are below that. But to change this view and move on with this view, I can now come to this new icon here on the filter and select that. So this is the view builder. It defaults to what the view is set to that you're already looking at, and you can come into here and add 3 new types of criteria. So if we come in and we add new row, we can quickly come into here and do perhaps city is Redmond, etc. Obviously we've got all of our operators in here which depend on what type of field we're looking at. We could, if we wish, add a group. So we can have an and or an all. So we can operate within here as well, and we're looking at the individual fields in here too. Or we can come down and we can add a related entity. So this would perhaps be looking at all the other related entities to account. So maybe an account that has cases raised in the last few months or something along those lines. So we're looking at the last X number of days, so any account that has a case raised in the last 7 days, etc. You would then apply your view down here, and we get the results. So it's up to you whether this is sort of a transient thing, and this view you just wanted to do an inquiry at that point in time, and that's all you need to see, and you don't need to take it any further. Notice we have an asterisk against the view here, or it might be a view that you want to permanently save. If that is the case, you come up to your menu bar, come into Create View, select there, and Save Filters as a new view. Give it a name. So that would be active account in Redmond, and save. Your view is now saved in the My View area. So that is the changes to how to do personal views and searches within the unified interface.